How's the day today? Alex here, and wait. This is not a game. What am I doing? Well, I didn't just want to make gaming videos on this, so I decided I was going to do some programming, Scratch programming. That's the kitty. But yeah, I'm gonna probably make a few games in this, not too many, but I'll rank them in difficulty, and like they'll each be a tutorial, and I'll rank them in difficulty from absolute beginner to professional. This one you can say is a beginner one. And yeah, also, if you're thinking that I already have this project built, no, this isn't like other tutorials. I don't even know how I'm going to perform this project. So I will hit some road bumps here and there. So yeah, anyway, let's get started. So yeah, this is the beginner level for Scratch. So what we're gonna do, you can follow along if you want. But what we're gonna do, we're gonna delete the cat and go to backdrops. I want a new backdrop. So you can go choose a backdrop. I personally enjoy Night City, so I'll use Night City, but you can choose any backdrop. Close this out, and I'll name it main backdrop. And yeah, no editing here. That's basically, I think, this done. So we'll need to paint a new sprite, not add. We'll need to paint a new sprite. And this sprite is going to be a, let's see, gray. Wait, hold on. Gray. And we're gonna zoom in. And we're just gonna simply paint one of these. We're simply gonna paint a little building. We're gonna color it in. Plop it onto the stage. Windows. You need windows for it to be a building. That can do. Apartment. So this is like apartment building style. So, well. Wait. Okay. Hold on, I'm just gonna quickly do something. Okay, I just had to do something. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna give it a little bit of window action. I don't really care on how the building looks. I'm just trying to make it look good. And there we go. Alright, so what you want to do now, you want to name it Building 1-1, duplicate it, Building 1-2, and what we're going to do for this building is this one. By the way, these are called costumes. Well, what we're going to do is we're going to chunk out a little stuff like that. We're going to chunk out a bit. And we're going to need some big old flames. So yeah, the game's about destroying buildings using your mouse. Using the mouse that you have, so you gotta click. Clicky. Oh yeah, so that's building 1-2. I'm gonna duplicate that to building 1-3. Yep. For building 1-3, we're gonna wipe out all of this. Gonna wipe it out so that it looks even more destroyed. And then Just gonna place some more flames. Yeah. So I'm gonna place some more flames. So as you go along, so every building that we build is going to have 5 stages. So this is this building's 4th stage. You can see how it really is getting destroyed. So, and then the 5th stage is just like showing off how you destroyed it. So we'll just, all we do is like erase that. Wipe. Probably some better artists here could make things look better than me, but I don't care. And then you want to put that there, and there. So it goes from this to this to this to this to this as you destroy it. Let's I'm gonna finish off this episode after I do some coding. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna make a new variable called building health. We're going to make it invisible. We'll make it invisible. So events, I'm going to set building health to at least 2000. So 2000 health, and for debugging purposes. Oh yeah, what I did there was I did this, so you can have large readout. That's for debugging purposes, okay? And unless you want to keep it up there, then you can. So I'm probably going to keep it down there just to show its health. Set building health, and then when the sprite is clicked, then change your building health by -1, so it takes damage. So if we were to play it now, we can click on it, and slowly but surely the building will collapse. So what else are we going to do? Well, we're going to put a if statement. We're gonna put an if statement. Say, and this will switch it to building 1-2, and the if statement is if the building health is less than 1,600. So once I drop it below 1,600, which I'll show you right now. So I just cheat the game. So every time I click, I do 50 damage. So now it's slowly it's getting destroyed. Okay, so I want to duplicate this. Put the if block inside there. Then 1,000 is the next landmark, and it will be the next state. The next state is 400. So building 4, duplicate, and if it's less than 1, then building 5. So now if we were to play it, oh, hold on, you also want to make sure that you set it back to building 1-1. So there we go, here's our building. So if I were to click on it, it sets ablaze. It now burns down. It slowly burns down to the ground. And of course you can still click from here, but we'll make it so that you go into the next building. So you would slowly burn it down to the ground. I guess I have time for one last thing. No, I don't. Well, I might as well tell you why I wasn't uploading for so long. What happened was my thing wasn't working, so I had to make it work, but then I got a virus, not a computer virus, an actual cold. So I couldn't talk that well. And then I had to solve my microphone not working problem, and then I was able to record. But I didn't have much time to record. So yeah. So that's why I wasn't uploading for so long. But anyway, I'll come back to my regular upload stuff. And yeah. But anyways, I'm gonna leave this episode off. Scratch, building, coding, whatever thing here. If subscribe to me if you want to see more like this, or if you're more interested in gaming, I also do those. But yeah, anyway, I'll see you all in the next video.